Good morning, class. So, in the last video, we studied about the basic introduction of soil and what actually the different layers of the soil. Okay, and we have done one activity. Now in today's video, we are going to discuss the another part of the chapter, that is the profile, that is called a soil profile. Okay, so when we are talking about the soil profile is basically a vertical section through different layer of the soil is called soil profile. Okay, so soil profile is basically a vertical section by which we can easily able to see the layers of the soil. Okay, now let's understand. Just suppose that you went in the birthday party. Okay, so when you went there, you saw that a beautiful cake. Okay, this is the beautiful cake and some flowers are there. Okay, this is the flower. Okay, this is the chocolate layer, this is the strawberry layer, and this is the downside portion of the cake. Okay, now when your friends cut that cake, a piece of cake from the knife, you see before of that you are not able, because you know that because you know that first of all the whole cake is covered with the cream. Okay, but when your friend cut the cake from the knife, then you see that this cake has a different layers, and because of that you saw that it is the upper layer is the creamy layer, then this is the chocolate layer, or this is the strawberry layer, or something else. Okay, before because of when your friends cut that. Okay, so same is that when we are talking about the soil profile from upside, so we can see only the above portion of the soil, only the top soil we are able to see. But when we cut the layers, okay, up now definitely the soil we cannot cut from the knife. So what we are doing when we are digging the well, yeah, sometimes you saw that yes, some construction work is going on, and when that time the laborers are digging the well, yeah, digging the holes, yeah, digging the ditches, that time you saw that the different layers of the soil. Okay, so these layers of the soil is called the soil profile. Okay, so hope this is clear to you. What is a soil profile? A soil profile, it means a vertical section through different layers. Okay, a vertical section through different layer of the soil is visible. This is called as the soil profile. Okay, so now when we are talking about the soil profile, and just suppose that one labor has dig the ditch, and then after what you saw something like that. Okay, just suppose like this. Okay, now you saw that upper layer, this is upper layer, you can see a green grasses are there, and in the downside you can see small stones are there, and then you go down, then heavy stones are there, and the downside there is a completely rock type material is there. Okay, so these layers of the soil, this is called as the horizons. Okay, horizon, it means when we are talking about the layers, the different layers, so this is called different horizon. Okay, so when we are talking about the soil profile has the different horizon, like A horizon, B horizon, C horizon and bedrock, or that is also called as R horizon. Clear? So now we are going to study about what kind of things we will able to see in the A horizon and the B horizon and the C and the R or the bedrock. Okay, so when we are talking about the A horizon is basically, this is the topsoil. Okay, A horizon is basically the topsoil. Okay, now what actually found in that? So basically the humus layer which we found here. Okay, and the second thing is that when we are talking about the water retaining property, so you know that basically this portion is a very soft, and this is very porous and can retain a more water. Okay, and this is also called as the topsoil or the A horizon. Okay, and this A horizon is very important because it provides the shelter to many organisms like worms, like rodents, beetles, insect or small ants and all. So different animals are living there, so definitely this top layer, topsoil is very important, and this is also very humus for the agricultural purposes. Okay, now when we are coming to the another one layer, that is the B horizon. So in the B horizon, what the B horizon is there? So B horizon is the next layer after the humus layer. ठीक है, and this layer has a mineral inside it, and this layer is generally harder and more compact, and it is called as B horizon. ठीक है, so this layer is basically you can say that this layer is more harder than the previous layer. Small stones are easily able to find there. Okay, and the plant can easily able to penetrate its root till the B horizon. Fine. Now when we are talking about the C horizon, which is downside the B horizon, so the C horizon is the third layer, which is actually made up of small lumps of rock, and cracks are there, crevices are there, and below this layer there is a very hard rock stone is found, which is called as the bedrock. Okay, and after that the water is not penetrating. Okay, so if somebody is going to dig the well or dig the ditches, so they are digging till this layer only, because after that there is a very heavy and a very strong rock is found, and because of that then the digging process is very tough. Okay, so after that we all are not digging that, so you can easily get the water in that layer if you are going to dig the well. Okay, so hope this is clear to you. Again, quickly I'm summarizing that what we studied today. We studied about the soil profile. So if somebody will ask you that what is a soil profile, then what you will say? Then you will say that soil profile is a vertical section. Okay, soil profile is a vertical section through which the different layer of the soil is visible. Okay, and then what the term we are using for the different layers? So the term which we used, it is a horizon. Okay, so how many horizons are there? There are 4 kind of horizons, like A horizon, B horizon, C horizon, and R horizon. A horizon is also called as the topsoil, and this is very important because you know that this is the humus layer, and most of the insect is living on that topsoil, so this is important. Then we are coming to the B horizon, so इसमें small stones are there. Okay, and then when you come to the C horizon, lumps are there, rocks and cracks and surfaces are there. Okay, and then after that we get the bedrock. It means a very heavy and a very strong stones are there. Okay, and this is very hard and very difficult to dig with a spade or something else. Okay, so what is your work? That you have to study about these different layers of the soil, and you have to make beautiful diagram of the soil profile. And the question is for you, question number 4th is your homework. Okay, question number 4th is that explain how soil is formed. So as in the yesterday's video already I discussed that how the soil is formed because of the process of weathering. So you have to write the answer, and it is in the book only. So this is your work, that you have to write the question number 1, 2 and question number 3, only the questions. Okay, not the answer we will discuss on later on in the next video, and you have to do the question number 4 from your book.